How to delete your home feed history on Pinterest. If you want to revise your home screen or tune your home screen to a different liking, this is how you do it. First, open your Pinterest and all of your pinned interest, anything that you have liked, similar content or pictures will be shown here. To tune your home screen, what you can do is tap on your profile at the bottom here, and at the top right you can see this gear icon to open the settings, and under your account you can see this option called home feed tuner. Just tap on it. It will show you all of the pins that you've made and the sites that you've visited. So if you want to remove anything, you can just remove them by just selecting these kind of items. And once you do that, you can change your interests as well. So the algorithm will be refreshed. You can add other interests from these options or search for new interests and remove the old ones like this. This is another thing that you can do. And under boards and following, if you have followed anyone, it will show up here and you can tune your following as well. And after doing this, once you go back and refresh your home page, it should be refreshed and other kind of feeds should be showing on your home page. And that is how you delete your home feed history on Pinterest. I hope this video was helpful and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.